How to upload full video on Facebook story. Now more than a couple of seconds. Now on Facebook, whenever you're trying to upload a video of maybe more than 1 minute or 30 seconds, maybe it is cropping it down, right? So let me just select this certain video. And maybe it's cropping it down for a certain size, and then you want to upload the full story without it actually being cropped. So to do that, we're going to use a simple trick. We're going to use Messenger for this and just select a chat. From there, tap the photos icon and select the video that you're trying to send to that person. But do not send it. We want to add this to our story, right? No matter how long it is. So go to edit. Now when you're on this edit page, instead of sending it, you simply have to select the option your story. And when you tap on that your story, this video will be added directly to your Messenger or your Facebook story without cropping any part of it. And this is a simple trick on how you can upload a full video on Facebook story. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.